Now moving on to the na adjective. I'm pretty sure when you pull it on the dictionary form, it does come out with a na ending. But just keep in mind, remember how when we went over right now about how e adjective can come in front of the noun to be like 面白い本, kawaii kaban, right? You didn't really have to do anything. But for na adjective, you have to make sure it has na in front of the noun, which I'll show you in a little bit. Okay? We use more e adjective than na adjective. So it's hard, it is extremely hard to kind of find the ones that we use a lot that are na adjective. But shizuka, that's one. Quiet, shizuka, right? I got teased a lot as a kid because I'm a chatterbox. I love talking, and Shizuka means quiet, and my name is Shizu. So a lot of people are like, your name means quiet, and you talk a lot. And I was like, yeah, it's true. I love talking. But anyway, Shizuka, quiet. That's a little side episode that you can help yourself to memorize this. Genki, lively or healthy. Genki. Yumei. See, it ends with e, but it's not e adjective. Yumei, famous. Benri, convenient. Benri, convenient. Repeat after me, okay? Shizuka, genki, yumei, benri. Got it? Very nice. One more that I want to throw in. Easy. Kantan. Kantan. I'll type it here. Easy. Kantan. Kantan. Alright? Now, when you're describing, like, right, when it comes right in front of the noun, like quiet room, shizuka na heya. Heya is room, right? Shizuka na heya. Lively child. Child or children in Japanese is kodomo. So it becomes genki na kodomo. Genki na kodomo. How do you think you can say famous restaurant? Famous restaurant. 有名なレストラン。有名なレストラン。How would you say I went to a famous restaurant? I went to a famous restaurant. 私は有名なレストランに went 行きました。私は有名なレストランに行きました。Alright? What about easy textbook? Textbook in Japanese, by the way, is 教科書。教科書。So, it becomes 簡単な教科書。How would you say? I bought an easy textbook. 私は簡単な教科書を買いました。私は簡単な教科書を買いました。Like that. Alright? We'll go over how you can make a sentence like the book is easy. The room is clean. That sort of thing with not adjective. Alright? Good job.